In this video, we're going to show you how to install the windshield washer filler neck on your Nissan Murano located under the hood. Now with the hood open, you're going to go ahead and locate the little plastic retainer. We're going to use our trim tool, pop that button up and out. Now the filler neck itself simply presses down into a rubber grommet down on the tank itself. So you're just going to gently grab this, twist it, and pull it up and out. Now right down inside here you can see the rubber grommet where the filler neck is going to get inserted into. So you want to be careful when you're inserting this here that you don't push the rubber grommet into the tank when inserting the neck. Let's lower this down in a position. Good, push that in. You'll know it's fully seated when the tab itself seats itself. Good, grab that plastic retainer or that button and push that in. Once you're all set, don't forget to top off your reservoir here. And once you're all set here, you've now completed the job.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.